Up guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day guys. Now in this video I'm talking about Gala token price update. What's the price changes occur in a Gala token? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos guys. The right now price of Gala token in the market is about 0.0959 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Gala token. Furthermore guys, if you study the changes update of Gala token, so negative 0.59% changes occur in the Gala token. The price are going negative in the market guys. So guys, now due to these negative changes, and I know guys that this is a temporary changes. Due to these changes a lot of people decide to sell Gala token guys, but that's a wrong decision. I recommend for you to please hold. Now you can see your guys, let me show you. Now in the latest situation, just look here. Now in the latest situation the chart is green guys, so that's clear that now they start pumping guys. And I also predicated Gala token in my previous videos that Gala will continue this pump for a long time guys, same like that occur in the market guys. Now they started pumping, and I hope guys, I believe that for a long time Gala will continue this pump guys. Anyways, what you think? What is your prediction? What is your update about Gala token? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos guys.